Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and a clean connection. Make sure both AirPods and the case are charged to at least 50% so reset's complete. Once done, turn Bluetooth off then on in your device to clear transient pair issues. Place both AirPods in the case and keep the lid open. This readies them for a manual reset. You do this because low power or lingering radio states often block reconnection, and a fresh handshake fixes most simple faults. You hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This erases stubborn pairing data. Next, go into your device Bluetooth settings and forget or remove the AirPods entry so no old profiles remain. Once that's cleared, bring the case close to your device with the lid open and follow the on-screen pairing prompt. This forces a fresh connection using current codecs and resolves address conflicts. You finish by testing both audio and microphone during a call or a short video to confirm stereo and mic routing. If problems persist, inspect and gently clean the speaker meshes and sensors. Debris can block sound or proximity detection. If cleaning helps but issues remain, check for an AirPods firmware update through an iOS device. Updates patch performance bugs. If none of this works, a factory reset and contacting support are the next steps, but most users are fixed at this stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.